Okay. Wow, this time my opponent has played 15,000 games. So much. And also I'm gonna handle white. Okay, today is good to practice white color. Oh, interesting beginning. Is it tricky? Let me just try to approach. Okay, balance is interesting. Now this is fifth line and third line. Can I be more crazy? Then I will invade. Ignore. He plays fast. I think it's good. Oh ho ho. Okay, this time I think player style is different. He is playing very fast, but there are double cutting point. Normally double cutting point will be in big trouble. I can cut first. Should I stretch? Or cut? Cut he can make later. Okay, stretch here. A and B. My next beating position. Then jump. He must keep push on here. Then my center is great. And even his life and death is not gonna be okay. Yeah, I have a double cutting point too, but I have enough stones there. In case he plays push and cut, I cannot tarry and then net. So white is not in trouble. Okay, I cannot forgive, right? I have to continue to punish. I think somehow this game I can finish in 5 minutes maybe. Let's see. This group life and death is not in trouble. He can just make the end game, but that's it. Nothing more. Oh, I have to be careful. He will want to use the trick. He will make the call. Okay, I can step back here. Invasion here. Oh wait, this here, this, and then cut. Atari. Nothing. Okay, I read it. I can actually cut, but this time definitely he will make the call, and then when I capture, if he used the call strat anyway, I have to give up this zone. I cannot win this call because I could kill this group. That means he has a many call strat, so I can accept some end game. Let him play Tiger's Mouth. I will just defend here. Okay, everything is clean now. Because just now he gave me double cutting point, it made him trouble. Okay. I give you 2 space jump. Thank you for following me. You can play 2 space jump. Then I'm gonna play here. Isn't it big? What? Oh, Kusumi capture connect. You have a trick. Answer then. Oh, he's keep playing, trying to save. But life and death is in trouble. He's enjoying to play really super fast game, but we can see that if we don't think anything, then we will make many big mistakes. Is the corner bigger or the upper side bigger? Seems the upper side bigger than corner now. Okay. Fine. I always have to check whether push and cut is working or not. I shouldn't forget. Then now left hand side is the main area. What should I do there? I think this position, somehow there is many aji. I can show you. Okay, let's attach here. if I have a two strategy position, then normally two space jumps are not used, right? Black is supposed to play one space jump or knight move instead of here. But now become, after he kick here, the position, the balance was not good. Then how I can do that is double hane first and let him cut. He must do that, right? He must cut, stretch and connect necessary, and then how is it? Tetsuji. Let him capture. I want it to jump, then I can reduce. But if he is greedy like now, then even I can be more greedy as well, like this. It's not greedy, actually, it works. Oh, are you going to... Okay, I give him one more chance. Should I even push here? Okay, fine, push one more time. I give him one more chance whether he want to defend. Okay, didn't. Then okay, cut, punch him. Basically, fighting is caring about the weakness. Cutting point. Cut, 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 cut. That's it. Yeah, just now he gave me too many cutting point, right? Then I am willing to give up this. And then connect, even corner is in trouble. Then I can make sente. Okay, the problem is even this black is not really fine now. I can still stretch and let him jump. If he pushes here, then I can block here. Oh, isn't it too much? You gave me cutting point again. Giving me keep two cutting point. That's always big trouble. We can handle one cutting point easily, but two cutting point is not fine. Atari block. Hane is ladder, right? Space ladder. Sorry, I made you unhappy, but I have to do that. Okay. You wanna revenge? Sorry, I'm afraid second game somebody use AI. Okay. I will have only one game with one player. Fine. Now simple review. We learned about two cutting point with this game. Yeah, he can use this kind of a beginning, is okay. But after I get into 3-3, black must stretch here, and then just I can go to other place, then it was fine. But now he gave me two cutting point, A cutting point, B cutting point. So I just cut and prepare to cut. If he just play here, I can cut and keep even, I don't know, Kosumi or block. Everything is fine. Yeah, now black cannot cover. Now two stones are nothing. So when he defends the here, this. Yeah. Even if white cannot kill this group, actually black cannot be good. Now outside is so good. But the problem is, really black has no method to save this as well. Yeah, now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stones are there. That's why. Yeah, I really wanted to even have a core. Mostly we need to cut, but this time especially he can use core strat. When I capture, he can even use one more core strat. Yeah, I cannot challenge for this core, because if I cannot save this group, then now, you know, even I cannot kill this group. Don't play very fast. Okay, that's probably what we learned from this game. And one more sentence is do not give too many cutting point to your opponent. Yeah. And definitely white was leading now. and I was hoping him to play here. Then I reduce a lot. Yeah, it's good enough. Like this. Here, this one. Yeah, this was what I wanted to use, but he really had to kill all of white group. But finally, he had too many cutting point. Yeah. In case he just cut here, then of course I will give up 2 stones. I will just keep sacrifice like this here. This is good enough anyway. Yeah. So now he was beaten by me because of the cutting point. Yeah. Okay. After that, he's keep pushing here. I think it was even too much. Black was supposed to jump and here and this one. Yeah, even the situation was not good. Yeah, also last 2 cutting point is here. Yeah, wedge, and there are still 2 cutting point. Yeah, it was really exactly the bunch of the grapes. Yeah, last time when I put up the video, many subscribers and they tried to teach me the word of a bunch of the grapes. Yeah, or dumpling shape. I think definitely this is a bunch of grapes. What do you think? Yeah, it's really really dumpling. Okay, so now it made I made space ladder. Second game has